Hello, coloring subscribers and friends, and everybody else who likes to color. Today I've got something exciting to share. My Castle Rock Pasteltint pencils have just arrived, and I want to share them because they are so beautiful. And maybe a little bit talking about how I'm going to use them. They are so delicate, so lovely. Let's have a look. Let's open the box. What's inside? What's inside? Oh la la. Oh la la. Ooh. Cool. Nice. Color and product guide. What have we here? And if I open it some more, what else have we got here? Okay. What else we got? Aha! Need help. Oh, look. Isn't this lovely? It's a little guide. Oh, my word. There they are. Here's your color guide. Ah, that's nice. Pastels. I have the Derwent Inktense colors, which I love, but sometimes we want to be a little soft, a little calm, slow living. Look at that. Oh, my word. This is going to be good fun going through this. How to hold your pencil. Oh, fantastic. Look at this. Fabulous. Color wheel. Oh, this is darn good, isn't it? I must look at that more closely later. What else have we got in this lovely kit? What's this? Oh, look at that. We can make our own testers. Isn't that amazing? Okay, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Hello, you little beauties. I do look forward to working with these. And there are 24 of them. Oh, here they are. Da-do, 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 da-do. Oh, my word. That's going to be such good fun. Producing something lovely for you, my lovely subscribers and watchers. Okay. Most excellent. Most excellent. Most excellent. There. Now we've got it closed. Fantastic. I so look forward to this. Color with me. Stevania. Wait for it. Coming soon. Coloring book fun. Let's color together. These are some color swatches that I made with the Derwent Inktense, just to see how they went. From dry, this is a gorgeous one, to wet. This is just a little sample of some of the ones that I did. This is the Derwent Inktense. I will be mixing these brilliant colors with the pastel tints. Coloring book fun. Join me. One of the things that immediately appealed to me was the soft pastel color range. I think these will nicely with flowers, and then you combine with the Inktense to give it a punch. And these are some of the coloring images that I will be working with. Which ones do you prefer? Which one should I start with first? Or start with next, I should say. If you enjoy calm, relaxing coloring, whether you're using pencils or watercolor, what have you, markers, let's color together.